Bye-bye, Expander.
Hello everyone, welcome to B.R.Y.N Weekly, again. I'm Brian, and this is a show where I talk some of my thoughts, advice, and bring you up what's happening now. Right now, it's clearly raining outside. I'll show you what's happening. See? It's clearly raining outside. Now pretty sure I'm worried it's gonna thunder soon. Or for a second. Or maybe lightning will come shortly. It happened earlier on. You'll see. Now first of all, have you ever seen a show that is completely embarrassing because of your dad? Shh.
Let the game begin!
I got moves.
It's weird when your dad's right behind you.
Now believe me, this is gonna be quite embarrassing. I mean, would I do stuff like that with my dad? Well, I don't think so.
We don't want to kill him. No.
But anyways, check it out on the E! Network. It's returning October 7th. Now I know Disneyland a lot, but have you ever come upon something that happens like this when you're at Disneyland?
That time Mickey got in trouble for not listening to
Let's put it in motion.
Totally. This was recently found on TikTok just moments ago, where Mickey's trying to show off Minnie or something. No wonder why Disneyland is a show-off. We also got proof on why you shouldn't play with Spam. And by I mean Spam, I mean the food that tastes like ham or, you know.
Did get 70 people down. You just go Spam! Spam little?
That's why you know Spam's for eating on Friday, not for playing on Friday. Eat with Spam, but don't play with it. Well, that's it for this week's B.R.Y.N Weekly. And you know what? I think the storm has officially passed on. Thank goodness, I think it's officially over. But you can still hear a bunch of drip drops from what happened earlier. So until we take care of all that, I'll see you then. And remember, check out all my social media links below and all the episodes in this playlist I made. Oh, and make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you don't miss a beat. See you then.